Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss the follow-ups for describe an important decision you made. So the first question is, do you always ask for help when making decisions? The answer is no. I don't always ask for help when making decisions. For simpler decisions, I'm comfortable making them independently, based on my own judgment and analysis. However, for more significant or complex decisions, I try to seek opinions from others who may have valuable expertise to contribute. Expertise, knowledge. Second question is, do you think teenagers are able to take decisions on their own? In my view, teenagers' ability to make fully independent decisions varies based on the individual's maturity level and the nature of the decision. For low risk decisions, many teens are capable of sound judgment. However, for decisions with ramifications means consequences. Okay, most need some level of guidance from parents or guardians. Third question is, why some can make quick decisions and some cannot? Well, there are several key factors that influence whether someone can make the swift decisions or not. Swift, quick, relevant knowledge, as well as personality traits like decisiveness and risk tolerance make some more naturally inclined to decide rapidly, means quick. Also, simple conclusions can be made swiftly, while decisions with far reaching consequences require more deliberation thinking. You need more time to think. Okay. Fourth question is, what should national leaders consider when they make decisions? In my opinion, policymakers, synonym for national leaders. Policymakers at the nation level need to carefully weigh a multitude of factors when making major decisions. They must consider economic, social, and security interests of the nation and its people. They should use diverse inputs when deciding a course of action they feel best serves the nation. Fifth and last question is, do you think children sometimes have to make important decisions? Yes. While major life decisions should be generally be guided by parents, children do sometimes need to make important choices independently. For instance, children may need to make choices about what they eat or how they spend their pocket money. Okay? So, this was the follow ups for describe an important decision you made. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button